Today is Tuesday, April 21st, week 4, day 2, math. And we're going to start out today with, I would like for you to go on to IXL sometime this week and work on L14 and L15. It's just more practice for what we've been working on. So I have the page right up here and I want to show you. So this part is L4, input-output tables. And this is just a reminder, boys and girls, on how we do these. We've done them some, but it's always good to review because it's been a while. So remember, how do we decide what the rule is? How do we decide? Well, on this one, we go by what they have given us. So boys and girls, we start with 525, and out came 625. So think 525, and out came 625. So we added 100. So now we add 100. 545 plus 100 equals 645. It's hard to type and hold the camera at the same time. Sorry about that. 141 plus 100. Only the 100 spots change. 141 plus 100. Tell me, what do I type? 241. Very good. 483, add 100 for 583. And submit. All right. So remember, here they have the rule, but on L15 and I think later in L14, they won't give you the rule, boys and girls. You have to come up with it. And remember, always look at what they gave you and figure it out from there. So I'm asking you to work on IXL, L14 and 15 sometime during week 4. So now when we look at our distance learning calendar, you're going to complete one page of the math package, and then we're also going to do pages 11 and 12. So let's take a look at 11 and 12. So these are a little bit easier than yesterday's Mondays. So let's take a look. I did color code, but now second graders, look. 10 less, 1 less, 1 more, 10 more. Right? And this is the way I suggest that you do it. I suggest you do it this way. Sorry, I have to get a pencil or a marker. You can do the numbers upside down, can't you? All right. So 231, 10 less. All right. So 10 less, so it's not 3 tens, it's 4 tens. Sorry, it's not 3 tens, it's 2 tens. So it's 221. Now do 10 more. 203, not 3 tens, but 4 tens, 241. So second graders, I would do all the 10 less, 10 more. Let's do one more. 500, 10 less. Okay, what comes before 100 when we count by tens? 90. So this one's a little tricky, and there are a few of these. 490. Just like when we say 90, then we say 100. 490, 500. And now 10 more. 500 plus 10, 510. Then I would go and finish that, and then I would go to 1 less. Remember, you always go back to the number the paper started with. 231, 1 less, 230. 1 more, 232. So 230, 231, 232, because it's 1 more. So that's how I would break up that page. And then on page 12, this one you'll breeze through. This is just counting back by hundreds and counting on by hundreds, okay? So just start with the main number, the one they give you. Now come back 100. So what comes before 200? 100, and then 25. Now take off 100, subtract 100. So 125, get paper and pencil if you need, minus 100, right? Minus 100, and you get 25. Let's check. Is 25 plus 100 125? Yes. Is 125 plus 100? Yep, 225. Here we go. See the pattern? 325 and 425. It's all hundreds, boys and girls. So now let's check. 25, 125, 225, 325, 425. Only the hundreds change. So I've highlighted the hundreds. All right, that is the math portion of day 2, week 4.